Birds. Let us learn about different types of birds.
Parrot. The color of parrot is green. Parrot. Next bird is pigeon. Pigeon. This is a vulture. Vulture. Next bird is duck. D for duck. A duck lives in water. Duck. This is a sparrow. Sparrow. Next bird is owl. This is an owl. O for owl. Crow. This is a crow. A crow is black in color. Crow. Penguin. This is a penguin. Do you know, children? Penguin is a bird which cannot fly. Cock. This is a cock. Cock. Peacock. This is a beautiful bird, peacock. Peacock is the national bird of India. Peacock. Crane. This is a crane. Crane.